Back on the road. Got a bit of a whistling bird and the creek in the background again. Oh, it almost looked like the same group of birds from earlier. Lets you get about 10 feet away from them before they fly off. So I've done an endless amount of hiking in my life. I've probably, done some of the skiing and the snowboarding, snowmobiling, water sports. Haven't done much motorcycle riding, so might try to do that. See if I can catch some of that on film. Looks pretty fun, as long as you do it responsibly. Who knows? There's all kinds of adventures to come, experiences to come. These videos are a lot of practice. Just really wanted to get out of the house more. Experiment with some cameras. See what I like, what I don't like. Hopefully some other people will enjoy it. Enjoy all this amazing scenery and the random things that I stumble on out here. Interesting views, a little bit of wildlife here and there. Appreciate you letting me take this time and get out here and practice and hopefully bring some positive, good things into your life. I'm really enjoying the fresh air and the weather today. It's a really good day to be out. And I can only be at home working, doing my career, staring at a computer, taking phone calls, emails, texts, dealing with people in person. So much. Don't watch a whole lot of TV anymore. A few years ago I just turned it off. Became very, very selective of what television I'll watch. Because I remember growing up I'd watch a lot of TV, and the quality of the TV material and script writing and everything was just so much better back then. Nowadays it's not anything near what it used to be like. The content is pretty negative. A lot of the content's dishonest. It's just not doing much good for anybody watching it. Everything's for sale. Buy, 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 buy. Run, 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 run. Do all that stuff those bad role models are showing you. I know that sounds corny, but it's bad input. Garbage in, bad input in. Creates just bad in general. Bunch of people sitting around doing stuff. Doesn't do any good for anybody. Yeah, at this point I'm just kind of bored talking, so bear with me. I would much rather be doing this or a whole number of activities in this world than sitting around wasting my time doing things that don't even really make you feel good. They actually kind of bring you down. You get out here and it's like feels so much better. And oddly, you can hike a mile in, get to the end of your hike destination, and somebody will be talking on a cell phone, sitting there by the lake or whatever. Or, I often forget, have my cell phone in my pocket for emergency or whatever. Not that you ever hardly run into that. And sure enough, get feeling nice and peaceful and away from all that stuff. Phone rings, text messages, gotta turn your phone off. kind of defeats the purpose of getting out. Taking a break from all that. Still got plenty of sunshine to get back. Not much for the blue skies today. Just little pockets of it. I have a feeling I'm actually going to get a little bit of a sunburn today. That and leg burn. Step on an acorn just right. Pop. Might have woke some of you up. Whew. After just a few days of stepping up my hiking, jogging, running, definitely feeling and seeing the difference. Definitely not going to give up. I'm going to keep going because I'm getting much closer to my goal, which is to be back to a fitness level that I had about 4 years ago. And I was at just about the perfect weight. Walking and hiking were really easy. But, I wasn't carrying any extra weight. Just made life a lot easier. You're getting the right food, drinking good filtered water, and getting your vitamins, minerals, all that natural organic food. Just trying to eat out like once or twice a week, tops. Cut out the sugar. Almost never drink soda pop. I mean, like once every few months, once every 6 months. Just really focusing in on a all natural organic diet, getting the micronutrients, and there's just so many all natural and organic, well-made products and things nowadays that you can take in the morning and have some, like a little bit again in the evening before you go to bed, so your body has everything it needs to regenerate while you're sleeping. That and good mineral water, filtered water, spring water. Makes a huge difference. A couple of weeks of real commitment to eating healthy and no sugar, just tiny bits of sugar. You can always switch to natural sugar, which you get out of apples and oranges and all kinds of fruit and honey and anything else you can look up or think of that has natural sugars. You can substitute those when you get a artificial or processed sugar craving. Going to flatbreads and tortillas that are organic, all natural, instead of heavy breads and stuff with additives, preservatives. What else? Just an all-around healthy diet. I think most people can figure that out really quick, and you can kind of test the things that makes you feel better and your body feel better and gives you more energy and helps you sleep better. And just what kind of exercise your body likes. I know walking is one of the easiest ones on the body. Light resistance training. It does help to get in some cardiovascular as well, but walking and hiking, I found when I was in, kind of like prime shape, I guess you'd call it. That was that, and I mixed that with some resistance training and random running and jogging here and there to get your heart rate up. It's just kind of imagine what it was like to live out in nature, 100, 200 years ago, and you would be walking around all day doing what you needed to do out in nature, getting the fresh air and the sun, and that was your normal healthy exercise. Got to find that good balance, what works for you. Most of the time I found within a few minutes of turning off the TV and getting out of the house, or getting to a natural location, you'll already feel better. You know, stress relief, get some sun and fresh air, and a couple of weeks of real good dedication. There's some cleansing products out there, can really help you out. Get all the toxins and gunk out of your system. I know there's let's see, I'm sure there's multiple sources. You can look them up online. Just look for all natural organic body cleansers, and be careful when you get all that toxic stuff out of you. It's kind of rough on you for a few days, sometimes longer. Once you get it out, you keep it out, you feel way better. So I'm gonna leave you with that. We made it back to the beginning of the trail here. Hope you enjoyed your time out here. Hope you had a good time, and I might have helped you enjoy your lives a little bit more. We'll see you next time.